Hello, this is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 10. And today we're going to talk about group access management. One of the more common challenges, I guess, with running a Facebook group is managing the access to the group, who should be in it, who shouldn't be on it, and so forth. And we have one way that you can do this very easily, and it's through a Chrome extension. So yes, there is a Chrome extension. There's only one that I know of. There is a Chrome extension that'll make it easier for you to actually manage the access to your group and easily identify who should be in the group and who shouldn't be in the group, so that you can easily just click a button and remove them from the group. And this is probably one of the most annoying things with running a Facebook group, is actually the fact that members don't automatically get removed when they stop paying you. This is a manual process, but we can make it a lot easier by having a Chrome extension that can go and actually check to see if, hey, is so and so still paying, and somehow notify you that person needs to be removed. And the way we do that in 22 Social, and yes, I know most tips I give you could really use with anything, but this tip is something that you do need to use 22 Social for, because 22 Social uses a Facebook login so that we have a direct 100% match between the name that's requesting access or that's using the Facebook group with the name that registered the account and is paying you on a monthly or yearly basis. So this is how our Chrome extension works. Essentially, if you are using 22 Social, then you will have a membership set up already through our platform. And by using our extension, all you gotta do is run it inside the Facebook group. It works on desktop, and it will color code your group members based on their status. Green if they're active, red if they stop paying, and orange if they never even tried. So maybe you'll get some requests of people who've never even tried to register, and they're in orange. So you know for a fact that, hey, if they're green, they're great, leave them alone. If they're red, like me here in this example, then they need to be removed because they stopped paying you. So it makes it really easy. Imagine this can take this task down from being something super annoying and hard to manage to just something you can do in a couple seconds and be done with it. And so what's great about this Chrome extension is not only does it color code them in the member section or members request, it also color codes the names of members anywhere in the group. So if you're out there creating content, monitoring the group, you can easily see anyone in the comments, hey, somebody just posted and they're red. Oh, I have to remove this post and I gotta get them removed. So you don't have to necessarily just go to the member section. You can just, in using the group, see who's active and who's not, and get a lot more data about them, maybe how much they paid you so far, and so forth. So this makes it a lot easier. This is actually one of the favorite features of 22 Social. And so if you don't have 22 Social, this will not work for you. I don't know of any other platform that'll do this. But if you do, then this makes it really easy. And if you haven't checked this out, I do recommend the tutorial that we have at the end of this video that'll help you get one going. We've had people transfer their memberships just for this feature, so it does make it a lot easier. So hopefully that helped you out, and I'll see you on the next tip.